Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Rong Pyninam ya ki dur jong ki Barikor badang pentebet haka Shilem hikai jong ka Riti Academy kabalalong haka arpun reu tarik unailor arjar kat kendai ha Mad Gallery Sun Shillong kala Khring ya ki Paidbah nongwan paikai bansakhi ya kumba kendai pautali ki dur bala bu'nam ya ki bala thok dur da kumba arpungut ki khna bat samla kontup ya ki no hikai kata uskamlang nyuta but Taisuk Kain. La play Paidbah ya ka Rong Pyninam da ukaitor batbet u Ruben Mashangva harangkat ka jingedon lang ki kenrem kilendan bakentup ya u N Munish Singh, Director jongka Indian Council for Cultural Relations Shillong, but ka Dr. Madeline Yvonne Tham, ka Convener jongka Indian National Trust for Art and Culture Heritage Meghalaya Chapter. Ruben Mashangva habakren kumukongsan ula banjur halor ke jingdon kam ban kentiu ya ki kena nongkendong ki badon sap bat ki batbet halaki kam khnang ban penek pensa bat ban tengkai ya laki mati jong ki longshwa manshwa ki balong ki nongmuna nagabenta ki longdien hagalawe.
This kind of academy is very, very important because if we are not doing this kind of things, see, we need to we need government, but government cannot go every corner. So we need small sections, and this is the heart of our people. So this is very needed. That's why the fellow groups, this is start like that. So yes, we are living in hill area. Some are plain. We have our own identity, culture, tradition, food habit, music, art, dance. So we need to protect. Not see, many people they are not interested, but those who are interested person, we need to do self-support and self-archive. So this is really very neat nowadays because the youngsters they forgot all the things because the new culture is so powerful, technology is very high. So the youngsters they forgot day by day because they have alternative to do for modern things. It's very powerful. So now from grassroots level. This is, I really appreciate this. Long live and keep your good health is needed and don't get grow old.
In Northeast India, we have different kind of communities, different kind of culture. Each is uniqueness, like that. So it is high time for us, as Chief Guest Mr. Ruben has already said, that it's high time for us to preserve our culture. So these two gentlemen, they are doing that in the best possible way. Since I am from the government side, I know that how hard it is to run, to make it move, carry on, and to be consistent. So I must appreciate Barafel and his Riti Academy because I know how hard it is for him to maintain, and I think it's the only gallery, which is maintaining and which is could be able to sustain, in whatever possible capacity it could be. So I congratulate him, and his work, if you see, is more based on the Khasi indigenous culture. When you see his work, you will know the roots of the Khasis, and their culture. This is very important today. As I said, like-minded, if you listen to Guru Ruben's music, you will feel the indigenous, music. Likewise, his painting also, you will feel that, you can see that indigenous feeling in it. So this is very high time for us to preserve as well as promote our own unique culture, because today the world is just a small platform through internet and many things. So it is high time for us to alert and to ensure that the right kind of art form, the right kind of culture is being propagated in a proper manner in the international as well as other part of India also. So we are very proud of these two gentlemen because they have been doing that in their own means and making the audience, people interested in it also. Yesterday I was seeing his performance in Sosotham. Is a capacity of 800 plus, but it was houseful and he could connect with the audience. That was the best part with his indigenous music factors in it, like that. So likewise, as Barafel has said, we have been coming along a long way. We have showcased through ICCR his paintings in Nepal, and then I think it's a good platform, although I haven't shared with him that we are really looking forward to take his painting to Slovakia also in this financial year. So I think that needs applause because we want to take him along with the paintings and a few of the things also, just to ensure that things carry on in whatever capacity we can. And obviously, like Guru Ruben and other will also take part because it is a festival of Northeast India that we have been doing, choosing a particular country. Then we try to get all the good things around from Northeast India and then put it up to let people know the glimpses of Northeast culture, like that.